In this guide, I will share with you step by step how to check in Saudia Airlines. So guys, to check in online, go to Google and search for Saudi Airlines and then click the first result, guys. After that, you will see this page. From here, guys, go to directly check in option. So guys, click on check in. From the check in, you have two options here. Write your booking reference, for example, this one. Write your booking reference or your ticket number. So guys, you have two options here, and then write your last name. This is for last name, and then booking reference, and then click check in. So guys, this is easy way you can do. Just click to option booking reference and last name, and then you will see all details. If you have more details, you can find your 6 booking reference or 13-digit ticket number and confirmation email on the confirmation email, guys, as you can see here. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content, and see you in another video soon. Keep watching.